Automobile suspension system. Suspension is the system of tires, tire air, springs, shock absorbers, and linkages that connects a vehicle to its wheels and allows relative motion between the two. Suspension systems must support both road holding, handling and ride quality, which are at odds with each other. Types of suspension system. Main types of suspension systems are independent, dependent or solid axle, semi-independent, air suspension, leaf spring, double wishbone suspension, multi-link suspension, coil spring, McPherson suspension, rigid axle suspension, trailing arm suspension. Why important? Suspension system is an important part of the design of any vehicle. This system helps in driving the vehicle properly on the road, and it provides many benefits. Correct road handling. Suspension system helps in handling the vehicle properly on the road. This system helps the vehicle to absorb the ups and downs of the road. Comfortable journey. Suspension system provides a comfortable journey to the people sitting in the vehicle. This system reduces the fear and shivering on the road. Safety of vehicle. Suspension system enhances the safety of the vehicle. This system helps in proper driving of the vehicle on the road and reduces the chances of accidents. Life of the tire. Suspension system enhances the life of the tire. This system helps in proper fitting of the tire on the road and reduces the wear and tear of the tire. Performance of vehicle. Suspension system enhances the performance of the vehicle. This system helps in proper driving of the vehicle on the road and improves the speed and handling of the vehicle.